Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and healthy. So, today we are here for learning science and I am your science teacher from Mahdi School, Mubassir Ames. So, today we learn activity of lesson number 2, living and non-living things. So, let's start our today's lecture with one beautiful thought. Focus on where you want to go, not on what you fear. So here this beautiful line teaches that focus on your goal, not on your fear. So let's start our today's lecture. Before that, we revise the lesson number 1, living and non-living things, which we learned in previous lectures. So, let's revise before we start activity. So, in this all over the world, there are so many things around us. Some are living and some are non-living things. So, first we need to know that what are living things. We already learned this lesson and let's revise that. Things that can breathe, eat, food, drink water, move by on, feel the things or the atmosphere around, grow and reproduce are living things. So let's revise that things that can breathe, eat food, drink water, move, feel, grow and reproduce are living things. So let's see that the people like me, you, your parents and all over the people are living things because they can breathe, they can move, they can eat, they can drink. People is the example of living things. Then plants, as we learn in lesson number 3, that plants grow from seed, they can grow, they can eat food from soil, they can absorb water and they can also reproduce. So plants is also living thing. Then animals, as you can see here, these all animals are eat food, drink water, breathe. So they all are living things. Then birds, because birds can fly in sky. So birds are also living things. So these all are living things. Now let's revise what are non-living things. Things that cannot breathe, that cannot move, that cannot eat, that cannot drink also, that cannot grow also and cannot reproduce are non-living things. There is a difference between living and non-living things. So, as we learn that non-living things cannot move, like bottle or benches or computers or car, they cannot move by their own. They cannot breathe. They cannot eat food also and they cannot drink water also. So, these all are non-living things. Again, I revise that things that cannot breathe, cannot move, cannot eat, cannot drink water, cannot grow and cannot reproduce are non-living things. So we learn this in lesson number 2. The examples of non-living things are ball, cars, buildings. We see that buildings are built by us. So these are non-living things. Buildings can't move from one place to another place, when we can move one place to another place. Then natural things. So here, what are natural things? Things that not made by man are natural things. All living things are natural. Things that not made by man are called natural things. Some natural things are living and some natural things are non-living. So natural things can be living or non-living, like human beings, birds, animals, plants are natural things, but they all are living things also. When mountains, rivers, rain, clouds are natural things, but they are non-living things. So what are natural things? Things that not made by man are called natural things. Like we cannot make mountains. Man cannot make mountains. We cannot made rivers. So the rain is natural things. Cloud is natural things, because we cannot make it. We can build a building, we can build a house, but we cannot build a mountain. So some natural things are living, like human beings, birds, animals, fish, cow, and plants. All are natural things, but they are living things. So natural things can be living also and can be non-living also. Some natural things which are non-living, like mountains. As we learn that we cannot make mountains. We can build a house. We can make a mountain from sand, but we cannot build a mountain. So mountain is a natural things. Mountains are not moved from one place to another place. So from so many years, mountains are. You can see here the picture of pen. We using pen for writing. We use pencil also, we use erasers also, sharpeners, compass box, bag, all these things are made by man. So that's why they all are man-made things. We never see the rain of pencil or a rain of books because it is made by us. So these all things are man-made. Then bags. We use bags. When we come to school, we put all things in our bag, like books, compass box, lunch box, water bottle, all these things we put in bag. These bags are made by men, and we make bags in factories also, and in some house we can stitch bags also. So these bags are man-made things. Then aeroplane. Aeroplane is flying in the sky like bird. But aeroplane is a man-made things. Why? Because aeroplane cannot fly without white petrol. Because aeroplane need white petrol to fly in sky. When bird is flying without anything with their wings. So aeroplane is a move by petrol, but it is a man-made things. So non-living things are man-made things, But not all non-living things are man-made. Some are natural like mountains, rivers, stone, all are natural things. They all are non-living, but it is made by nature. Then vehicles, you can see here car, bus, again aeroplane and boat which we use in water. So these all are man-made things. So all these things are made by man. That's why they are man-made things. House. We build a house. So house is a man-made thing. Like house also cannot move one place to another place. But it is a man-made thing. When mountain is a natural thing. Then toys. We play with all these toys. So these all are man-made things. Then TV. Mobile, we use mobile is also man-made thing. Machines, also man-made thing. Some man-made things are made from nature things which once alive. After revise the lesson number 1, let's start our activity. So here first activity is about living and non-living things. So let's start our today's activity. So here you can see two pictures. One is bird is flying in sky, and in second picture you can see that airplane is also flying in the sky. Now we can see that they both are move. They both can fly. But one is living thing and second is non-living thing. They look same, but there are different between them. So let's see difference. So here the picture of bird. So, what living things can do? They can breathe. So, bird can breathe. Yes, bird can breathe. So, first, right, we have to mark that right or wrong for these things can do or cannot. Then, can move, bird can move. Yes, bird can move by own. Bird don't need support of another thing for move. Then bird eat. Yes, bird can eat. Bird eat seeds from the plants. Then bird can drink water. Yes, bird can drink water. And bird can grow? Yes, bird grow from eggs. So here we write these all things bird can do. So that's why bird is a living thing. So we write here living thing bird. So here we mark the all things which living things can do. That's why the bird is a living thing. Now let's see what is aeroplane. So here is airplane. Now let's see. Can aeroplane breathe? No. It cannot breathe. It can move? No. Because it cannot move by own. That's why it is a non-living thing. Then it can eat? No. We never see aeroplane that eating chips or chocolates, then it can drink. It drink petrol, right? No, we use petrol in it. Aeroplane cannot drink petrol. So we cross here. Then can grow? No, aeroplane is same during all time, because we see that aeroplane is same shape and same size in after many years also, so they cannot grow. So the things cannot breathe, cannot move, cannot eat, cannot drink and cannot grow are non-living things. So aeroplane is a non-living things. They can fly like bird, but it is a non-living thing. Now let's see another picture. Here two boys are playing, and in second picture a windmill which is moving. So we have to find out that which is living thing and which is non-living thing. So let's see. First, boys. So here you can see two boys are playing here. So they can breathe. Yes, they can breathe, because living things cannot breathe without air. So breathe every second. Then next, boys can move. Yes, boys can move, because boys are living things. They move by own without support of other things. So we have to write here. Then they can eat. Yes, we all know that we eat food for growing healthy. We eat chips, then chocolates, all these things we eat. We not eat healthy food like vegetable and fruit, right? You all are eating chips and chocolates only. Then they can drink. Yes, boys can drink. So that's why we put here right mark. Then they can grow. Yes, boys can grow. That's why boys are living things. So boys can breathe, move, eat, drink and grow. That's why boys are living thing. Then next, windmill. Now it is a windmill which moved by air. It is a man-made thing. Remember, we learned that things that made by men are man-made things. So like that, windmill is man-made thing. Now let's see, it is a living or non-living. So first, can windmill breathe? No, because in this picture we see that windmill cannot breathe. Then it move. We can see here that windmill is moving. So it is moving, but it is not moved by own. It is moved by air. Windmill need air to move. So windmill cannot move. Then can it? No. Windmill cannot eat. That did you see windmill drinking water? There is no glass of water there. Huh? So windmill cannot drink. Then windmill cannot grow also, because like aeroplane, windmill also same as it is after so many years. So that's why windmill is a non-living thing. Now let's see here the picture of one horse and one car. So they both can move, and they both can move very fast also. So we have to find out that which are living or which from this is non-living. So we have to find that which is non-living thing. Now let's see, here you can see the picture of horse. So can horse breathe? Yes or no? Yes. Horse need air to breathe for every second. Then horse can move? Yes. Horse can move, and horse move very fast. So that's why horse can move. Horse can eat? Yes, horse can eat. You know what horse eat? Horse eat seeds like chickpeas, and horse also eat grass. So horse can eat also. That's why horse is a living thing. These all are features of living things. Then horse can drink? Yes, horse drink water like us. So horse is also living thing. Then horse can grow? Yes, we also see the baby horse which grow in big horse. So horse can grow also. So horse is a living thing. Now let's see about car. So here you can see the picture of car. In this picture you can see that car is moving on road. So here first we tick that car can breathe. Car need air to breathe? No. So car cannot breathe. We put air in tires, but car cannot breathe. Then car can move? Yes, car can move with petrol. We know that car cannot move if we not start it. So car cannot move by on. Then car can eat? No. We never see car eat chips or vegetables. Then car can drink? No, because we fill car with petrol for driving. So car cannot drink, and car also cannot grow. That's why car is a non-living thing. Now our next activity is about natural things and man-made things. So many students cannot understand what is the difference between natural thing and man-made thing. So let's see that how natural things are different from man-made things. First, we revise that natural things are the things which cannot made by man, which created by nature. The things which we cannot made, all are natural things. So here you can see the picture of toys. So you can see these all toys are made by man, and in second picture you can see that stones, which let's see toys are man-made or natural. So first we see that can toys we made in factory? Yes, we all know that so many factories of toys, car factories, then doll factories and many others. So we put right here. Then can man made it? Yes, man can made it, because we all know that factories are handled by men, so we can make it. In further times, when there is no factories of toys, we can also play with dolls, handmade dolls. So men can made it. Then they can move with petrol. Yes, toy car is move with petrol, and toy bike are also move with petrol. Then can we start with electricity? Yes, some toys like video games and many other are start with electricity, and we also know that some toys we use cell for moving, like cars and tap, car and many others. So we use electricity to start toys also. So toys are man-made things. Then let's see here the picture of stone, which we can see on seashore. So we all know that there is no factories of stone, so they cannot made in factory. So it is a natural things, because we cannot made stone in factory. Then can we grow it? No, we cannot grow it. Why? Because it is made by nature, and stone is a non-living thing. That's why we cannot made it. Then man can made it? No, we cannot made it. It is made by nature. Then it can move with petrol? No, they don't need petrol or electricity or cell for moving. They are non-living thing, but it is a natural things, because we cannot made stone. So stone is a natural thing. Then two pictures you can see here. One is a cloud and second is a kite. They both are in sky and they both can move, but they cannot moved by on. So let's see first clouds. So we can made clouds in factory. Did you see anywhere the factory of cloud? No, because it is a natural things. We cannot made cloud. Then can we grow it from one cloud to another cloud? No, it is a natural thing. Then can made by man? No, there is no factories of cloud. Can move with petrol? No, they move with air. So they don't need petrol to move. Then can we start with electricity? We push cloud with electricity? No. So clouds are natural thing, because we cannot made. Let's see about kites. So first is, can we made it in factory? Yes, we can made kite in factories. Can man made it? Yes, man made it. Can move with air? Yes, it is also move with air. And can we use electricity or other things for flying kite? So in kite festivals, we use many electric gadgets to fly kite, because in kite festival kites are very big. That's why we need electric gadgets to fly kite. So kite is a man-made thing. Then next, natural or man-made. Here is a picture of air balloon and sun. So let's see which are natural and which are man-made. So first is air balloon. Can made in factories? Yes, air balloons are made in factories. Then can man made it? Yes, it's made by man. Can move with petrol? Yes, some air balloons move with petrols and some air balloons move with fire. So we use things to move air balloon. Then next, can we start with electricity? Yes. In some air balloon we use electricity to move. So air balloon is a man-made thing. Then sun. Can we made it in factory? Did you see the factory of sun anywhere? No. We can grow it? No, because sun is a natural thing. Can man made it? No, we cannot made sun. There is a only sun in all over the earth, and we all use sunlight from this only sun. So we cannot made sun because it is a natural thing. Even we cannot touch sun. Can move with petrol? Did you see sunrise with petrol or electricity or any switch which we on in morning and sun start rising? No. So we cannot made sun, we cannot grow it. Man cannot made sun, and it is moved by on, but it is not a non-living thing. It is a natural thing. So sun is a natural thing. Then you can see here two pictures. One picture is of water and second picture is of cold drinks. So let's see which is living and which is non-living. So they both are non-living because they cannot move by on and they cannot grow also. So let's see it is a natural thing or man-made thing. First, water. You can see water is moving, but it is moved by air. It can made in factory? No, because water is a natural thing. Can made by man? No, we cannot made water. We use water to make things like cold drinks, juice and many other things. So water is a natural things but non-living natural thing. Then cold drink. So as we know that we can make lemon juice at home and we use water in it. So it is a made by man but use of natural things. Can made in factories? Yes, cold drinks can made in factories. We all know the factories of cold drinks in world. And can man made it? Yes, cold drinks made by man with use of water. So now you can understand that what are natural things and what are man-made things by this activity.